I did it. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to finish this roof and we're going to get it all laid out and done. We're going to finish the whole shed. It took me a little bit. I had a lot of stuff going on, so I only worked on it a couple hours one day, and now we're going to finish it today. So let's get to it. So when you get to this part, it's going to be a little awkward. So 14 is pressed into 13. So you want to lay 13 down, push 14 into it. And then you got to make sure all these little holes line up. So you're going to see some of these have these holes in the top, and it's for that. So when you screw through, you can hit those holes. Now we just have to bolt it together. To all you guys in the comments, yes, it does have a roof. This is the new high-tech sunroof, so it lets in a lot of light. did it. My big one ab got in the way. See that? As I was putting the top on, pushed it in like that. Creased it. I guess my one ab's just too strong for this metal.
Here, I'll start yours. Now start peeling from that. No. Yeah, that's how I do mine.
You gotta get a corner started and then it comes up pretty easy.
There you go. Got it.
I thought you liked this job.
I do.
Oh, okay.
He said he doesn't. I hate at the end the job. The worst. Who thinks what? Who likes this job? Dad would probably do this. It's probably a pretty easy job if it was like a real job.
Mm-hmm. No, I would not do this for real life.
Oh, you
would do this every day? No way.
Yes.
I'd find a new job.
Every minute.
That'd be tempting. 100 every minute? Well, yeah, who wouldn't want to do this job?
Dad, here, this one's done. Dad, here, this one's done. I'll get 2 million.
You're right.
Dad, here.
Imagine 400 or 40 hours one week.
Here.
You got paid every minute.
That would be a lot of money.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Pixie. I really hate this part of the job. Like, you have to have little kids come here and get it out of the little indents. My fingers, look at these sausage fingers. They ain't gonna fit in, look at that, they barely fit in that crack of the door. Definitely were not thinking when they did this. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. I'm gonna have to get my kids. There's no way I'm gonna get in there. And I try to pull, it out. Oh, it keeps breaking. What a pain in the butt. Slows down the job, that's for sure. Oh well, enough of my belly aching and whining. Keep going until I get it all. Oh, dang it. Just gonna have plastic hanging off this door for months until the weather takes it off or bakes it off or whatever. I did it. So I'm excited and I'm pumped. This turned out good, except for this piece has like black paint on it. I don't know why or what, but whatever. That's fine. It's not perfect, you know. It's still only the one bad spot right there is because of my one ab. Other than that, I think it turned out pretty good for considering the price. I like it. I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I got it. It's a lot bigger than I was, you know, than what you think. 10 by 10. So I'm gonna fit all of the V stuff's gonna easily fit in here, and then I'll be able to put a lot more other stuff in here. And I built this whole thing on just the driveway. I didn't level nothing, anything. As I was putting up all the tin, I just held up the bottom, screwed it tight, so it stayed level and square the whole time. Matched up all the holes, and everything went together good. So I am excited. Now, this thing is going to be probably full of wasps next year, but that's why you got WD-40. So yeah, I'm pumped. This will be it for the video. Now I'm debating, put it in the comments, because I'm gonna have this go up probably tonight yet. Should I do the video of me putting everything in there? And do you guys want me to clean up my garage? Want me to record it? It's bad. All the woodworking stuff, I gotta clean the whole thing so I can paint it, paint the garage floor. I think I'll get at that right away. So I'm gonna go edit this so this can go up. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.